The digital revolution promised connection and convenience, but at what cost? We explore the erosion of privacy in the modern world, examining how seemingly innocuous technologies collect, analyze, and leverage our personal data. From social media algorithms shaping our perceptions to sophisticated surveillance systems tracking our every move, the lines between public and private are increasingly blurred. This documentary unravels the complex history of data collection, tracing its evolution from punch cards to the sophisticated artificial intelligence that drives today's digital giants. We'll delve into the legal battles and ethical dilemmas surrounding data ownership, exploring the power held by corporations and governments alike. We'll hear from whistleblowers, policymakers, and technologists, each offering a unique perspective on the current state of affairs. Through compelling case studies, we will expose the vulnerabilities inherent in our increasingly interconnected world. We'll see how seemingly trivial data points can be weaponized, contributing to misinformation campaigns, identity theft, and even political manipulation. The consequences of unchecked data collection extend far beyond individual privacy, impacting societal structures, political landscapes, and even our fundamental human rights. But the story isn't entirely bleak. We'll introduce innovative technologies and strategies aimed at reclaiming control over our digital lives. From encryption and anonymization techniques to grassroots movements advocating for stronger data privacy laws, a growing resistance is emerging, challenging the status quo and demanding accountability from powerful institutions. We'll examine the role individuals can play in protecting their privacy and shaping a more equitable digital future. Ultimately, this documentary aims to ignite a conversation about the future of privacy. We'll leave viewers not with despair, but with a sense of agency and a call to action. The question is not whether we can stop the flow of data entirely, but rather how we can harness technology for good, creating a digital environment that respects individual rights and fosters a truly free and open society.